Hello and welcome back to SkillWeb. In today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to make checklist in Trello. So let's have a look now. Open Trello and navigate to the board and open the card where you want to add a checklist. Once inside the card, you will see the Add Checklist button on the right hand side. Click on it. A new checklist field will appear. Enter the title for your checklist. Start adding items to the checklist by typing each task and pressing enter after each one. If needed, you can also click on the checklist item to add further details or due dates. When you are finished, click outside the checklist field to close it. Your checklist is now created and visible within the card. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.